Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away.
If it's your first time viewing, welcome, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It's all free. Now, we're here in Northwest Florida. Let me tell you, it's been cold. We've been down as low as 15 here, so we're trying to find ways to keep warm. I'm sure like you all are. So what I got going on here now is some sweet and sour chicken I'm making up. Nice and warm. Gonna make some rice up later. Gonna put it on there. Have some real good warm home food.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away.
We found out here in Northwest Florida, where I live out here in Crestview, Florida. We found out that the way we keep warm, we stand here and we stir this chicken. We just keep on stirring it like this. And you're gonna keep a little bit warm, you know. Feel that nice little heat coming off there, smell that good fragrance aroma. Yes, sir. I'm already starting to sweat. Y'all still cold out there? Hey, get some chicken in that crock pot, start stirring it. I'm already warm. Well, folks, I sure made a mistake. I should have gone outside. It sure is cold out there, I'm sure I'm freezing. Like I said, here in Northwest Florida, which we like to call the Redneck Riviera, we know how to get warm. Come back that pile of chicken you got going. Get a few stirs. Can y'all smell that? I wish I had some smell-o-vision out here. It sure is looking good. But you know what? If I keep stirring this chicken, I find out, man, I'm already getting warm again. There. Oh, that's much better. Thank you, chicken. All right, folks, like I promised you, taught you how to stay warm today by stirring chicken. And now we got the rice ready, so now we're going to show you how to stay warm on the inside. Come on over here, see here, cat. Cat's already staying warm. I will stay warm on the inside here. Come over here. Get some big old bowl of rice. Throw it all up in there. Yeah, we've been cold all day, but stirring that chicken sure helps keep warm. How y'all doing?
Ain't no sunshine when she's
Next, come on over here and get some of that chicken we worked on. Oh, look at there. Stirred it all day. Oh, it sure looks good, doesn't it? Oh, yeah.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long.
This is how you keep warm on the inside. On a nice cold day like this, all the cold weather everybody's having.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's just how
Spoon
just
there.
ain't no
Go ahead.
anytime
Thanks for watching.
she goes away.
Now this is the way you stay warm on the inside.
Anytime